The world of consumer technology moves at a breakneck pace, but every few years, a product comes along that doesn't just iterate. It completely redefines the boundaries of what we thought was possible in a compact form factor. Right now, in May 2026, the tech community is buzzing with whispers, leaked schematics, and supply chain reports regarding the most anticipated desktop release of the year, the Mac Mini M5. For over a decade, the Mac Mini has been the unsung hero of the Apple lineup, providing a gateway for creators, developers, and everyday users into the macOS ecosystem. However, what we are seeing in these latest leaks suggests that Apple is no longer content with the Mac Mini being just a budget entry point. The M5 generation is shaping up to be a titan in a tiny box, a machine that challenges the very existence of larger, more expensive towers. As we dive into the specifics of the silicon, the redesigned thermal architecture, and the shocking connectivity upgrades, you will realize that everything you thought you knew about the Mini brand is about to change forever. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If you have been waiting to upgrade your workstation, these next few minutes will explain exactly why the M5 Mac Mini might be the most important computer Apple has released in the last 5 years. At the heart of this revolution is the M5 chip, a marvel of engineering built on an enhanced 2-nanometer process that was once thought to be years away from mass production. The leap from M4 to M5 isn't just a minor clock speed bump. It's a fundamental shift in how computational tasks are handled. Leaked benchmarks suggest a multi-core performance increase that puts the M5 on par with last year's ultra-tier chips. This means that a device that fits in the palm of your hand is now capable of rendering 8K video streams, compiling massive code bases, and running complex AI simulations without breaking a sweat. Speaking of AI, the neural engine in the M5 has been completely overhauled to handle the next generation of Apple Intelligence. We're looking at a dedicated silicon area specifically optimized for local large language models, allowing for near-instantaneous generative tasks without ever needing to ping a cloud server. This is the privacy-first future Apple has been promising, and the Mac Mini M5 is the vessel carrying that promise into our home offices. But power is nothing without control, and Apple has reportedly solved the one lingering issue with the Mac Mini: thermal throttling. For years, the compact chassis meant that under heavy loads, the processor had to slow down to prevent overheating. The May 2026 leaks reveal a radical new vortex cooling system. By utilizing a high-density copper vapor chamber and a redesigned fan blade geometry, the M5 Mac Mini can maintain its peak performance for hours on end. Whether you're a professional colorist working on a feature film or a 3D artist sculpting intricate models, this machine is designed to stay silent and cool while the silicon pushes the limits of physics. This isn't just a computer. It's a silent partner in your creative process, ensuring that your hardware never becomes a bottleneck for your imagination. The exterior of the device is also seeing its first major redesign in years. While the iconic square footprint remains, the 2026 model is rumored to be even thinner, adopting a design language that mirrors the sleekness of the latest iPad Pro. We are seeing reports of a new midnight obsidian finish that uses a specialized anodization process to resist fingerprints and scratches, giving it a stealthy, premium look that disappears into any desk setup. But the real story is on the back panel. Apple has finally listened to the power users. The leaked images show an array of Thunderbolt 5 ports, offering data transfer speeds that were previously unimaginable. This allows for a single cable setup that can drive multiple 6K Pro Display XDRs while simultaneously accessing high-speed external storage arrays. It is the ultimate hub for a modern, minimalist workspace where performance is paramount. What makes these May 2026 leaks so compelling is the pricing strategy that appears to be attached to them. Despite the massive jumps in performance and the inclusion of cutting-edge connectivity, insiders suggest that Apple is aiming to keep the starting price point incredibly aggressive. This is a strategic move to dominate the mid-range market, offering a value proposition that makes PC alternatives look outdated and overpriced. By providing workstation-class power at a consumer-friendly price, Apple is inviting a whole new generation of creators into the fold. The M5 Mac Mini is more than just a spec bump. It is a statement of intent. It proves that you don't need a massive, power-hungry desktop to change the world. You just need the right tool, and according to everything we are seeing this month, that tool has finally arrived. As we look toward the official announcement later this year, the excitement is palpable because we aren't just looking at a new Mac. We are looking at the future of computing itself.